Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter on a petrol Ford Fiesta Mark 5. To start off, we need to remove the two air intake pipes. The one on the right you twist away from you and pull off. The one on the left you can pull off, there's no need to undo the clip. And then you've got the two 10mm screw bolts on the front of the air filter housing that will also need to be removed. Once we've got these two bolts out, you'll need to grab hold of the rear of the air filter housing box and give it a good pull off. It may be a bit stuck like this one, I had to give it quite a big pull. You'll notice to the left of it, underneath, there's a little breather pipe. You need to just carefully pull that out. At the rear of the airbox housing, you'll notice 10 8mm screw bolts. These will all need to be fully loosened to be able to pull the airbox apart and get to the air filter. There's no need to remove the bolts, they will sit in the filter housing itself, just make sure they're all fully loose. Once they're all fully loose, just pull the back of the air filter housing off and you should see your air filter. Remove and throw away your old air filter and any leaves or debris that might have collected in there. Make sure it's all nice and clean, and grab your new clean air filter, pop it in and rebuild in reverse order. It really is that easy. Just before you push the air filter housing back into its locating pins, I always like to put a little grease on the rubbers just to help in the future if you want to pull it back off so it's not so tight and stuck. That's it guys, job done. Remember to leave a like if you found this video helpful, leave your comment below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.